Hello, this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard this all-new 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. So we'll start on the exterior of the boat. The first thing you'll notice is our nice deep V hull. Gives you great performance in our rough bays around here. A lot better performance than what you'd expect out of your traditional bow riders. Big bow flare as well as inverted chines for stability and dryness on the boat. Stainless steel rub rail, nice and bezel stainless steel cleats. A neat thing about the design on the 190 SPX is even though it's an outboard boat, you still get a nice big swim platform, sea deck flooring, Mercury 150 horsepower outboard engine, 4-stroke of course, hydraulic steering, big stainless steel 4-step ladder, stainless steel grab handle, stainless steel tow arch or tow bar, charging port on the transom of the boat as well. As we start here on the rear of the Sea Ray 190 SPX, you'll notice the expansive swim platform as well as a molded in companionway with steps into the cockpit of the boat. It's a really unique and nice feature to have where you don't have to step on your cushions to board the boat. On the back of the boat, you'll see we have a large sun pad with an expansive amount of storage underneath it. Great place for coolers, life jackets, all your boating gear. We come here, we have a built-in cooler here that's insulated. We have storage underneath my feet here. So we come around to the transom. We have a swim-up cooler located with the battery switches. Notice that Sea Ray uses all stainless steel yacht-grade hardware. So you see the same latches on their large boats, piano hinges on all of their hatches, and their hatches are solid fiberglass for a lot more solid feeling. This boat has the appearance package, so you get upgraded vinyl. Get the lot nicer finishing out on the interior of the boat. Everything is stainless steel inside the Sea Ray 190 SPX. The cup holders, the grab handles, all the hardware. So it is built for the saltwater. If you come around to the helm here, you'll notice you have a Fusion Audio 4-speaker Bluetooth stereo. Nice built-in SIMRAD display that gives you engine data as well as your fish finder, your GPS and chart plotter. Nice raised chrome bezeled gauges. As we come around on this side, you get not only helm seat for the captain, but you get a helm seat for the passenger of a flip-up bolster. Nice integrated grab handle and cup holders. You can see here the nice vinyl wrap dashboard or glove box. Nice big dry storage compartment. Once again, look at the piano hinges and the oversized stainless steel hardware. As you come to the bow of the boat, Sea Ray brings their beam forward in the boat to give you a lot larger seating area than what's traditionally found on this size sport boat. So a full-grown man can lay out on the bow of the boat. Once again, take note of how nicely finished out the bow area is. You've got recessed grab handles and recessed cup holders as well. I'm Leo at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Give me a call directly at area code 407-394-7623 to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Sea Ray boats.